Don't know hard work have to pay off. You don't know just a bunch lazy people. You don't know. As you can see on my bag is the big C. You know what I see? That's a cartel and I said, cartel time come. All of the clocks they might soon done.
Yo, hold on, repeat it again. Repeat it again, sing it again.
You said the clocks them come.
Hold on,
You
say it
said the
again.
clocks them come.
Hello guys,
Right, well, oh yeah, go on.
welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Up in the Hills, and we are back at it again. Thanks for tuning into the channel one more time. From wheresoever that you are across the world, greeting and prosperity to you and your family and all of that good stuff. So guys, right now we are in Jamaica, Up in the Hills, and as you see right here, I got two of my hard working workers that are always there, probably looking at the bags and not listening to me. I say, what rat it clocks?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. You know, I try to treat people the way how I would want people to treat me, but unfortunately, I wasn't in a lot of situations. I wasn't able to be treated good. You know, some people just believe that because you're poor and you come from certain family and certain background, you know, they don't show you respect or really show you the humanity that you deserve. But as for me, my workers has been here for me with me for so long, through thick and thin. They push the work, even though sometimes we butt heads and we have heighted moments, but at the end of the day, them still push the thing because they know my agenda. They know anytime I step down in Jamaica, they know why I'm here. It's not for vacation. It's to push the thing and to get the thing started off for my family. And they always know what is required, and them join the line and push the energy and get it done. And I'm gonna let them show you what is in their bag. Show the people them and talk to the people. You see it?
You can see we have this bag from, this is a bag from, it's green. We have a clocks here, giving thanks, you know. No money from going to school from way back then. Weren't have nothing then time, but now you have something can show us, boy, we still can give back.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
So you have some nice little things, and you know, all the while you come in, you always we have a little thing them, and you don't have to go too further in the back, the back nice. Understand me? So well, like everybody see what go on.
Yeah,
Nice,
true.
you know, so
True.
now my brethren there, tomorrow morning, we downstairs, they start up different piece of project again. Try get you over back with us. My wife, we can see it and, you know, appreciate what we're trying to do for them, and also, so, enough respect, man, love. Yeah, man, like, share, and subscribe, man, and, you know, Manix TV. Yeah, up in the hills.
Up in the hills.
Jamaica. Look from this thing going to just turn it and you see this. All this ocean hills and, you know? Yeah, man, it's nice, man.
It's nice.
Yeah. So, as soon as you finish, man, you just turn it around, man, and you see that whole entire view, the sea, Montego Bay is down there also, and everything nice, man.
Everything nice.
Yeah.
Real, everything nice.
Yeah, big up viewers and subscribers. You don't know hard work have to pay off. You don't know just a bunch lazy people. You don't know. As you can see on my bag is the big C. You know what I see? That's a cartel and I said, cartel time come. All of the clocks they might soon.
Yo, hold on, repeat it again. Repeat it again, sing it again.
You said the clocks them come.
Hold on, say
You
it
said the
again.
clocks them come.
Yeah.
Hard work pay off, so the clocks them come. If you don't know, go get some, go get some. If you don't know, go get some, go get some. Boss come saying bring clocks come. Boss bring come. If you don't know, go get some, go get some. If you don't know, go get some, go get. Yeah, big up to the viewers and subscribers. You don't know my boss there in the country, checking hard worker. Them. Big up Tally, you don't know this are the loyal general, and when we say mission, a mission. You don't know such thing we there. We dey show all of the viewers and subscribers and all of the people them are out there work hard, and people them want to know say them check for them loved ones and check for them worker. See it here. We boss touchdown from America and car clocks come because we work hard and loyal to we boss. So all of the boss them are out there and treat them worker good. Big up on yourself same way. Big up all the people them are treat them worker good. This is Manix Robinson TV, saying loyal general, saying hard work pay off. Don't be lazy, youth. Because when your boss look upon you and say you dey do it, clocks for feet.
Clocks for feet. See this song again?
Too tight come. If you not have clocks, me dey tell you get some. If you not no go get some, go get some. If you not no go get one, go get one. Cause me dey tell you say the clocks them come. Cause we no lazy, so we got some. If you not no go get one, go get one. If you not, hey, big up Robinson TV. Big up all of the viewers and subscribers. Robinsons.
For real, for real. Yeah, so guys, there you have it. We have 2 more workers what not really show up today. Tomorrow, they're gonna forward tomorrow. So when they forward tomorrow, you will see the guys where I'm coming from. I wish I had somebody to do this for me. You see it? How far we come from. And then my man I know, you know, guys. They know me they come from because me and them my man go to school and then see when they wear out, tear up body pants, tear off shoes. They walk up, tear up boot. You see it, you see it. They know the thing. So it's no fake thing around here. There's no pretend thing around here. What you see right here, so guys, I may be making it to show you a video, but what you see here, this is not pretending. This is just genuineness coming from my heart towards my workers. Them I know them from a long time because we grew up together.
School days.
You see it? You the teeth up the mackerel.
Yeah, man.
A lot of people don't believe when me tell them, but them guys are here for yourself. Hold on, tell them the story, because they don't believe. Can me tell them and they don't believe me, you know? Tell them the story, though.
Man. Using teeth and round and up me tin mackerel with true man. We go to school, man. Big man thing, man. For real, man.
You see, I was telling you guys, but anyway, guys, you know that's how we do it. And guys, I'm showing you the road, you know, and a tractor cut, you know, and them your man get the thing up in the hills, and a tractor, no $1 million money already, and them your man see the vision and say, all right, Manix, yo, we're going to put muscles together and get this thing done because we see the dream and we see the vision. Guys, wish we could have done more, but them know how the thing set. We're not rich out of the little what we have from clean pilot in America. And this me I do for them. You see it? Because that's how we do it. Alright? So guess what, guys? Today we are take a rest, we sort out some things, and tomorrow
we're back on it.
We're back on the work again. See, so thanks again for tuning in one more time to Manix Up in the Hills. That's how we do it. Oliver Lifestyle, big up yourself. You see it, yo, you big up the channel. This party was talking about how me treat me workers them. That video I feel me, brother. You're large every time. Love people may not respect you and understand you. This is how we treat the workers them. We don't work with workers them like dog and slave and give them bone to go your yard. We should, what we wear, matter of fact, I don't wear clocks. We give them it, you see it, because we can't get it cheap in America. So that's how we do it. We take it, we show we workers them say, yo, just as how I would treat myself, I so my respect, you know. So that one you have for you, Oliver. Bless up yourself. Alright? Life with the Andra, bless up yourself. M. Morgan, Cleaning Mommy, Meet the Peers, Sam Whitley, E.M., Bajan Brits, Charnette Griffin. Bless up on yourself. All channel members, you know, say we in Jamaica. I know still up our mind because you guys support the channel. And all viewers and subscribers that always support the channel, you know, by watching the videos, you guys was able to make me get paid. And out of that, we are able to do this. So all of you guys have a part to play in it. So stay tuned, guys. We have more stuff to come. We're not left you out. And we don't make Frost sing the song again. Because that's how we do it. Run this song again, Frost.
Yeah, everybody, I want to know that everyone here will have a productive day. Because the clocks them come. Everybody know I know me tell you get some.
Get some.
Me tell you boss carry clocks them come. And me tell you say, me get one. When Doxy all feel me. When Doxy feel me teeth them. You don't know me one go get one. If you not no go get some, go get. When the clocks them come. Go so Ralph Frostman teeth it go so because the boss make we smile so we have to go so the boss make we smile so we have to go so big up all of the viewers and subscribers. I want to know if a productive day boss carry the clocks them come big up all of the viewers subscribers and all of my loyal subscribers on the channel. You all have a productive day because the clocks them come and now we work and make the work done. Big up all of the viewers them out there. Subscribe to Manix Robinson channel. Keep the thing up. It's a productive day. See
See you
now.
tomorrow morning.
Respect, guys.
Same
Blessings.
time
Thanks again,
tomorrow
Mr.
morning
Robinson.
and the work, you know?
Blessings. Respect. Thanks. Yeah. So guys, until we see you again on the next video, you know we do the thing them. The clocks, them come, clocks come. Who no got one, say them better get so. Alright. Have yourself a wonderful one, guys. I'm sending out, you know what that? Mobile that right there, so. Yeah. The dream, this you know guys. You see this? The dream. And the dream
Man, show them a tone, man.
is putting together by them money right here, so. You see? And that is why I respect them like that. So guys, until I see you again on the next video, having yourself a blessed one. Much love, much respect every time. Alright? Bye bye. Respect, man.